Man, that is so good. Wow. Who knew these little seeds could be so healthy in your weight loss journey and just your overall health journey? These little seeds are amazing. What are these? These are chia seeds. I don't know how you're supposed to say it, chia, chai, but you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna say chia. Chia seeds, man, these things are amazing. What I'm gonna do in this video is show you how I've been using these to actually, I don't know if it's helped me lose weight, but it's actually helped me in many different ways. The benefits of these little seeds is amazing. You can get the chia seeds anywhere. All your stores sell them. You can buy them in a big bag. It only takes a couple tablespoons to get you a serving, but these seeds are amazing. I'm gonna show you 3 ways I've been using them. One, of course, is a high protein way. You know I'm trying to get that protein now. And I'm gonna show you a high protein way I get them, and also how they've helped me out in the mornings, in the evenings, and just in my overall health and fitness journey. Hopefully this will help you out as well. Give it a shot. There are so many benefits to these, and I'm gonna go over some of those. I've used them in my yogurts, I use them in smoothies, but what I've been doing lately is drinking them. Now these seeds are packed with nutrients. They're loaded with fiber, protein, omega-3s, antioxidants. They support healthy digestion. They got a lot of fiber in them, which of course is gonna support your healthy digestion. They also help keep you full longer, which is one of the ways that I've been using them as well. They boost your energy naturally, and I've really felt that benefit as well. I wanted to do it for a few weeks to kind of get an idea to make sure they're really helping out, so I can go ahead and let you know how everything works. Now, one thing, people say that they help you lose weight, all right? Now, I don't know if the seed actually helps you lose weight, but one thing it does do is help with your hunger regulation. And that's for sure. It has really helped me with that. I was getting cravings because I heard that chia seeds would help out with that. I said, okay, let me go ahead and try it out. Let me see if it works. And guess what? It worked. I'm gonna show you the ways that I've used chia seeds lately, and it has really helped me out, okay? So hopefully this helps you out as well. I'm always trying to help. Let me know in the comments if you use chia seeds, how you use them. How do you mix them? Do you make chia puddings? Do you put them in your yogurts? How do you make them? Because there's all kinds of different ways to use chia seeds. I'm finding all kinds of different ways to do it, and I'm gonna keep making content to show you because these little seeds are amazing. So let me show you 3 ways. Now, first, before I show you my high protein way that tastes so good, I'm trying to tell you it's so good. 2 ways that I've been using them. One way is in the evening time, okay? So what I do in the evening time is I mix up 1 cup. I've been mixing up 1 cup. So what I do is I put some water in here, and then I put 1 serving of chia seeds, which is usually 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds in there. And then what I do on top of that is I add just a little bit of honey. You don't have to add honey. Honey's optional. Some people say that it does help you sleep at night. It can. I just love honey, and it tastes great, okay? So if you don't want to add the honey, don't add it. I don't know if it actually helps you sleep, but I mean, it can't hurt. I sleep great. So I like to add a little bit of honey in there. These are the chia seeds I'm using. This bag right here, this gigantic bag, I got it at Costco. You can't beat it. They have it at Walmart. They have it at H-E-B. I'm sure Publix has it. All your stores have. I'm sure you can buy it at Target. Everybody has chia seeds, some form of chia seeds, okay? Now these right here, 1 serving is gonna get you 10 grams of fiber. Now, if you're really trying to get fiber in your diet, this is a cheat code. It is a go-to. 1 serving right here can get you 10 grams of fiber. Come on now. If you do 1 of these in the morning and 1 of these at night, that's 20 grams of fiber right there. And you can't, I mean, it's just so easy, okay? So it also has 6 grams of protein in 1 serving. We all love protein. Come on now. So once again, what I have been doing is mixing 1 serving of chia seeds in the cup, mixing that with a little bit of honey at nighttime. And what I do is I put that in the fridge and let it stay in the fridge for around 30 to 45 minutes. So usually after dinner, I'll mix up my cup. And then I also mix my cup for the morning. What I've been doing in the morning is the same thing. I have 1 serving of chia seeds mixed in with just water, and I drink that in the morning. Like as soon as I wake up, I come out, I get my coffee ready. I always just drink water in the morning anyways, really get your body going. It really wakes you up. Now I switched to drinking water with chia seeds, and it has helped big time. Let me just go over my morning routine. What I do is I come out and I get my coffee ready. I also have my chia seeds already from the night before, and they've been sitting in the water overnight in the fridge. Now what happens is the chia seeds soak up all that water. So they're no longer like just little seeds anymore. They're kind of like they have a different kind of texture. It might take you a little bit to get used to that texture, but it's kind of a gel type texture. And then I just drink that in the morning. Now what that has helped me with I am not craving sugar anymore. I'm not craving sweets anymore. And it's really helped out ever since I started doing this. I'm starting my morning off with 10 grams of fiber and 6 grams of protein right there, before I even had a cup of coffee. And it's just amazing. It's such an easy way to get fiber in, to get your protein in. It tastes great. Now, at nighttime, what I've been doing is the same thing. Before I go to bed, I drink 1 serving of chia seeds before I go to bed. And what that has helped me out as well is not wake up so hungry. Drinking the chia seeds at night, it helps out with your digestion. You're getting a lot of protein and fiber. So the benefits of nighttime is it's slow digesting. So it really helps out with overnight hunger. It really knocks out your cravings. You wake up refreshed. But one other way that I have found that to get chia seeds and to make it taste just amazing is this quick recipe right here. You don't have to use all these same ingredients if you don't have them. I just had these in stock and I said, you know what? If chia seeds taste this good with water, come on now. If they have this much benefit with water, you know what I'm always trying to do? I'm always trying to look to get a little more protein. So what I did is I went ahead and just added them to some items to boost up the protein. And man, this right here, it tastes amazing. Let me show you what I used here. Now look at that. Yeah, buddy. Come on now. Now this is just a chocolate chia pudding. I mean, I've been having this almost every day. It just tastes amazing. I look forward to having this, okay? And it's packed with protein. I mean, it tastes amazing. Let me show you what I used in this one. Now, what I did is I just took 1 cup of this Carb Master milk. Now, this milk I've only found at Kroger. It's a Kroger brand. If you don't have a Kroger, then if you don't want to use a Carb Master milk, you can go with a Fairlife chocolate milk. Whenever I'm at Kroger, I pick these up. So if you have a Kroger available, go ahead and check these out right here. They're low carb, 11 grams of protein in 1 cup. So I use 1 cup of this, and then I mix in 1 scoop of this Cage vanilla protein isolate. This is my go-to protein. I've been using it for years. It mixes great. I always talk about it in my videos. 1 scoop mixes great, tastes amazing. If you mix 1 scoop of this with the chocolate, and then just add you 1 serving of chia seeds in there. All right, mix it all together, put it in the fridge overnight. Tomorrow, you're gonna have an amazing treat. It's gonna taste great. You're gonna have a meal that's around 350 calories and 42 grams of protein, all right? Packed with fiber, it's got everything you need, and it tastes amazing, okay? You gotta try this one. Like I said, if you don't have that chocolate milk, you don't have to use that one. You kind of mix and match, however you wanna do it. Just put it in whatever you have that you can stick in the fridge overnight that you think might taste amazing, okay? And I'm trying to tell you, this thing tastes amazing. I look forward to eating this every single day. It is so easy to make. You just keep it in the fridge, all right? Make the night before, you have it ready the next day. I just take a spoon and I just eat it like that, okay? It's so simple. You have to check this one out. Let me know in the comments if you eat something like this. How do you make your chia pudding? How do you use your chia seeds? If that's what you use, man, you got to go check these out. I'm trying to tell you, you get you a big old bag. You only use a couple tablespoons, and especially when you add them to water, the benefits are amazing. When you add them to something like this, the benefits are amazing, and it tastes great. You cannot beat that. I'm trying to tell you, you need to go try this one because I'm really excited. I've been eating chia seeds. My body's been feeling great. It's been holding me down with hunger. I don't get sugar cravings anymore, and the benefits are just amazing. You have to go try it for yourself. Let me know if chia seeds are in your routine. Let me know if chia seeds is something you get down with, and let me know how you use chia seeds as well. And I'll talk to you next time. Let's go.